everybody.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, 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 hey, hi. Rebecca's sitting in the back for a while my cousin is in town, because she was riding in the middle. So Rebecca's going to stay in the back for a couple weeks, and then we're going to move her back up front. So where's our adventure today?
I don't know.
We are going to a place, lean in Madeline, we are going to a place called Ijams Nature Center. Zip line is. Be careful. No, not today, Sarah. Maybe another time.
Oh, that looks so like fun.
I'm sure it does, but not today. Actually, Madeline and Sarah would probably do that. Madeline's done something like that before. Walking on platforms up in the sky. There's some people that are doing it with their kids, so.
Because I've been so active.
Rebecca, can you do it?
No.
Oh, come on, just.
Oh, come on, climb up there.
Come on, do these stones.
Oh, you gotta walk that.
If you fall, I will
Yeah,
catch you.
I'll take a picture of you if you give me my phone.
Let Madeline finish the course first. You want my hand?
Mommy, I made it up.
Awesome.
Yeah, but you need to clean your fingers.
Got it?
No.
Don't be scared.
It's fine.
Just step. Just take a big step.
Yeah, take a big step.
See, like that.
There.
You can do it.
That section.
Rebecca, let Sarah do it first. Okay, now come on. Rebecca, one of your hair ties came out.
Uh-oh.
Come on, you can do it. All right, see if you can do it without me. Come on, Sarah, step up. Just take a step. You can do it. Come on. Well, that's one way to do it. I don't think that was part of it. Come on, Sarah.
I was up for dismount, not for Alexis.
Mommy, can you hold that?
All right, Sarah, move.
Girls, look at me.
If you're getting down, move. Let Rebecca finish. I got you. You're not gonna fall. Oh, you so cheated. You so cheated. Step on the log, Rebecca. I've got you.
I'll do it again.
Sarah down. Sarah down. Come on, Rebecca. Step on the log. I'm not gonna let you go. You got it. Get up. Up, up, up.
Don't lift your feet up. That's how you fall.
Step on the log. Step on the rock. The stump. The rock. The other rock. The other rock. And now stand on the log.
Yeah.
Come on, get on the log. Oh, come on, you can do it. One foot in front of the other. Come on. Oh, that's one way, Sarah. No, 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 grab the tree. Keep going, Sarah. You'll do it. All right, now get down. Yay! Awesome. Not sure what that is. There's this too. It's been years since I've been here. I know it's probably Madeline's age or Sarah's age. Suck. Part way up. That's cool. What is it?
The Highland cage. There's a cage built into the ground.
I see him.
Everybody's pronouncing all this wrong. Poppy, May, apple.
Come. Thanks. All right, let's go to restrooms. Go see. Just don't touch the glass.
Oh, shedding.
It is illegal to have a turtle as a pet in East Tennessee, or in Tennessee.
Flippers.
Over. What is it?
What kind of
It's a tree frog. It says it's tree frog.
What's this?
It's a box turtle. Those are like the ones we have up at our house.
There's
It is cute. Come on.
3. Oh, that's
It is a stuffed raccoon. It says 100 Acre Wood on this sign. Don't touch. Yep. It's a stuffed kitty. I saw. I just said that to you.
The birds. Where's the snapping turtle?
I don't know. Oh, there's something in the corner back here. See it? That must be it. Right here.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, come on. Let's keep looking around.
It has a paw.
What is it? That's adorable. Here, let's go this way. Sure. Just for a minute. Madeline, no, just go on in. I see you. Here's another window. Are you an owl? I think I see a Sarah. I see a Sarah. All right, come on. Come this way. Look at the ground. Yeah, let's not touch that. The classroom. Let's go this way. Birds. I see.
What is that?
All right, that's good.
Can I try?
You just did.
No, I did. That's all my one. Ooh.
There you go. All right, come on.
Mom, look.
Come on.
There's a bird here.
Get your finger out of the bird's mouth and come on.
Ooh, painting. Doesn't Grandma have one that looks like that?
If not, she has one that's similar.
So beautiful, Mommy. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Look at the tiny nest just made for Eppie.
Yippee. Of course there is. Come on.
That must be that.
All right, let's go on out. What? This is emergency exit only. Yep, that's a bell.
Can you actually ring it?
No. Look, no, hold on. This is emergency exit only.
Oh. It's a Liberty Bell.
All right, come on. No, it's not the Liberty Bell. It's much bigger than that. Come on.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, there's some up here too. And there's a turkey up here. So it's gonna be a little loud because we've got the air on. You can see Rebecca back there, Madeline and Sarah. Hi. Okay, what did you all think of Ijams?
Fun? I can't believe we were able to push forward in that. That would be about 2 days worth of walking at Dollywood, I think.
No, I don't know how far it was. It was like 1.5 miles, 2 miles. So a 5K is longer than that. But, bless you. But a 5K is usually flatter. So.
Does it count the walking we did inside that store thing?
A little bit. So, we had a good time? Alright, so now we're going to go to Great Grandma's and have dinner and dye a few eggs. And we're just going to spend time with family the rest of the day. What do you say to everybody?
Thanks for watching.
And?
See you soon.
Madeline, don't forget to
Subscribe.
Don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe.
Madeline?